Hey first graders, this is Mr. Fries, and today we're going to do another math problem with my dog Scoop and Christmas. Listen carefully for important information. Scoop hung 8 ornaments in the morning, 5 ornaments in the afternoon, and 2 ornaments in the evening. How many ornaments did Scoop hang in all? So let's see what Scoop thinks about this question. Scoop thinks, I'm looking to make a total, so I'm looking to take those parts and make a whole, and I think it's going to be easiest for me to make 10. And in fact, I see 2 numbers up there I know that make 10 together. Once I make 10, the addition's easy. So right now, press pause and try this problem on your own. Okay, so I'm going to follow the RDW problem-solving process. And so I've read my question, and I know I need to make a total. Now I need to draw a picture. So I actually need to draw 3 pictures. I need to draw a picture for morning, M. I need to draw a picture for afternoon, A. And I need to draw a picture for evening, E. Now what I'm going to do is I'm always going to try and make one of my drawings a 10 frame. Since 8 is my biggest number, I'm going to try and draw 8 in a 10 frame. Now in a 10 frame, you always draw 5 on top, and I know that 5 and 3 make 8, or that in a 10 frame, 8 should have 2 missing spots. So that's my 8. I know I want to add that to my afternoon 5, so I'm going to make 5 more X's, representing the 5 ornaments. And I know I'm also have 2 ornaments from the evening. And I need to find the sum of these things. I need to find the whole. Well, my picture can really help me. Remember, we want to make 10. Well, I think I can fill in my 10 frame. I think I noticed that 8 and 2 make 10. So I like to circle my numbers that make 10. 8 and 2 make 10, and then I have 5 left. And it's actually really easy for me to add when I have a 10 and any other number, because I'm just adding my ones place and keeping my tens place. My picture can really help me, because what I'm doing is I'm taking these 2 from the evening and I'm filling in my 10 frame with them. So now when I use my picture, I've used up those 2 to fill in my 10 frame. I see 10 in my 10 frame, and then I see 5 more. So I've read the problem, I've drawn a picture, I've written a number sentence. Now I need to write my answer statement. 15 what? Well, my answer was about ornaments, so I need to write 15 ornaments. I'm not really good at spelling ornaments, so I like to look at the question and I just copy those letters. 15 ornaments. Let's see what Scoop thinks. Ooh, actually today our fact is about Christmas. Did you know that Germans in Germany, which is this country here in Europe, started decorating Christmas trees with candles in the 8th century? Wait a minute. That doesn't seem very smart, putting candles on a wood tree. I think that's probably why we use ornaments now. Have a good day, first graders.